Hi, I'm Malcolm.
And I'm Douglas.
We're a couple of brothers who spend our me time doing different things. I'm a self-taught leather crafter.
And I'm a garage tinkerer who'll try my hand at anything.
So we decided we're going to do a blog just to let you into some of our activities that have been successes.
And failures.
So let's get to it. Let's go and see what we can do.
Our hope is that initially we'll put out one video a week, probably on a Monday, and we'll just see how it goes, whether you like us and we enjoy doing it. This is an adventure for us. As I said, we like trying new things, so let's give this vlogging a go.
Do it.
Bye.